And I really don't tolerate that at all with my family because I know like it really affected my mom back then. So when she was racist to me, I just like it just escalated from there. Unprovoked. It wasn't even, my back was turned. It was just like strange words and then she just attacked me.
So I guess she's claiming that she said something racist to her, which caused her to do what she did.
On February 4th, 2024, officers responded to a family-owned grocery store in Orange County, California, after a 19-year-old employee physically attacked a customer, claiming a racist remark had pushed her to the edge. So the question is, when provocation meets violence, where exactly does the law stand?
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hello.
Fine until what happened.
Say that again?
I was doing fine until what happened.
What happened?
Well, I walked in here and the first thing I looked at was the Hello Kitty stuff. And this girl comes up and says, "Are you looking at something and help you look for something?" And I said, "Oh, I just walked in here. I just started looking if that's okay." And then she walked away and then immediately came back and said, "Oh, I was just asking. You don't have to be such a about it." And as I was walking away, I said, "Oh, I was just trying to match your attitude." And as I'm walking away, she's like, "Oh, we're just trying to tell you that, because your lipstick's all messed up." And I said, "Oh, okay, thanks. So it's your face." And my back was turned. I was completely walking away. And she comes up behind me and yanks down my hair in my head. And then I fall to the ground. And as I'm on the ground, she's like yelling, like, cussing and saying things to me. And then she like hits me right in my face. Unprovoked. It wasn't even, my back was turned. It was just like strange words and then she just attacked me. And it's just not okay.
Where is she at?
She's my daughter. She's crying. She's crying. She's in the back. I didn't see what happened, but she told me that.
There's all those cameras.
Yeah.
Where did it happen?
Right in front.
Right there?
Right in front of the,
Like right at the doorway here?
in between the registers and where the Hello Kitty stuff is. She just came up and behind me and yanked my
We should have cameras.
head
Yes.
and I fell to the ground.
Yeah, I didn't know what happened.
While I was
I
on the
heard.
ground, she still continued to beat me down.
How long ago this happened?
Oh gosh, I don't know, maybe it was like 20-30 minutes ago now, I'm not sure.
It's
And
like
I was
over
just
an hour
shocked. I
ago.
just
About
stood
over an
up
hour ago?
Yeah, I think so. Because
So
I was trying to calm her down, like maybe half an hour. So.
Okay.
Half an hour, 40 minutes.
So you're saying this on camera?
I think we should have camera. When did? Sorry, I wasn't.
No, you're
sure.
good. You're good. You're good.
It happened right here.
This is very.
Okay. All right. I think we have that. Y'all can check our camera.
Hello Kitty stuff. Okay.
It's happened right here. Right?
Did
Nobody see anything.
Did
We
anyone
just heard
else?
the word exchange.
anyone see anything?
I was here. I didn't see nothing.
Okay, alright.
No, that's why I think
Did anyone know?
nobody see anything. That's a problem.
So your cameras record right here?
Yeah.
They got some face in there.
Yeah.
Are you able to pull up your cameras right here?
I'm asking him to.
Okay.
Yeah, because they exchange. I think she's on some kind of medication, so I got to calm her down. After she drinks, she feel a little better. But I think
I just want to clear your daughter. Let me know
Oh,
I'm
of
doing,
course,
right?
of course. That's why
yeah.
I want you to come here.
Yes.
You know, she said, I want to
Yeah.
charge you. I want to sue this, sue that. But it's very,
Yeah.
very odd
Yeah.
because
Where is your daughter?
Yeah,
she's in the back because she's crying too.
Well, can we talk to her too?
Of course.
Okay. Well,
Yeah.
So while you get the cameras and everything,
I have
we'll go talk to your daughter real quick. And
Yeah.
Get her
You
side.
say this way?
Yeah, this way. I
This
told her to
way?
go to
She
this
said
side.
this.
Sorry. I've never been here before.
I was about to go that way too.
Sorry.
It is kind of like a whole big market.
Yeah, I know. And
I know.
today too, I say, you know, this is my money making day.
This is your money making day.
I've never been in there. It looks very nice in there. So.
What kind of clothes your daughter have on?
I'm sorry.
What color clothes is your daughter?
She wearing a jean with the jacket, jean jacket. Not jean jacket, but it's sweater.
Okay, yeah.
Blue. That's her. That's her.
That's her straightening up the Hello
Yeah,
Kitty?
that's her.
Okay. What color? What?
She's right here.
What? No. What color? I'm trying to think what color clothes she have on.
Like right now.
See? Yeah, black.
No, not the daughter. The
daughter.
the other lady.
I don't want to say this, but she got up here.
I know, but we still have to see. I mean, you have the video of it, so we can at least.
Over here, and then we're watching the video right now. But over there with her son.
Okay. How old are you? 19. Okay. Let's have you step outside here, and we're gonna have a talk. She's gonna make, huh? Step right here. So, tell us what happened?
Can I have my mom go inside?
Yes, go inside, Mom. She doesn't want to talk in front of you.
So what happened was, like, I went up to her because I work here, and I'm in customer service, so when I came up over here, I asked her, like,
We're going to speak over here, okay? We're going to get away from everybody. Comfortable. Oh, as comfortable as you can get.
and she basically said, like, Chinese people never give me a chance to do any, like, work or shop around, and I'm not even Chinese, so I took that as racism, and I really don't tolerate that at all with my family, because I know, like, it really affected my mom back then. So when she was racist to me, I just, like, it just escalated from there, like, after she was being racist to me, because after she said the Chinese thing, like, I thought she was being racist, because that's how I took it. She said Chinese people never give other people a chance to shop around, and then I said, excuse me? And then she said, like, yeah, I said it. And then I was like, I was in shock for a little bit. And then after a little bit, I thought about what she said. I came back, I said, okay, like, you don't have to be about it. Like, just because I asked if you needed help or anything, you don't have to say anything about it. Like, you don't have to be racist towards me about it. And then she said, oh, I wasn't being racist, it's just true. And then that's when I told her. Yep.
Well, you're gonna be placed up on the rest, so you gotta turn around.
No. What's up? Come on. You realize what you did was
Really wrong.
Okay. Alright. How old are you?
I'm 19.
Alright. Have you ever been in trouble before?
No, never.
Okay, calm down.
Yes, sir.
Alright. Calm down.
Yes, sir.
I'm not, this is what's gonna happen, okay? Alright? We're gonna go take a ride, okay? It's just a battery, alright? Your parents can come and get you out today.
Okay.
I need you to calm down, okay? Alright?
Sorry.
Alright, we're gonna walk over to my car, so we're not gonna do it right here in front of everybody.
Okay.
So I need you to be compliant, and I need you to be calm about it, and be a big girl about it, okay? Alright? And we're gonna be humble about it and everything, okay? Alright, cool. Let's go. Alright, do you have anything on you? Do you have anything on you? Anything on you? Do you have anything sharp on you? Anything that you want to keep with your mom? Anything like that? You want to keep jewelry with your mom or anything like
I'll
that?
keep this one, Mom.
We'll take it, alright?
You wanna take your necklace?
You want your necklace to stay with your mom?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. Alright. Alright, well, we're gonna give you a chance, okay?
I don't know how to take it off.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. It's fine.
I'm nervous.
You're just nervous right now.
Listen,
I'm sorry.
I understand.
I know.
Alright? Like I said, it's not a felony. Alright?
I'm so scared.
Alright.
When she was racist, I never had
I got
people
you.
be racist to me.
Listen. You can use that in your defense, okay?
Yes, sir.
Unfortunately, statute doesn't protect that, okay?
Yes,
Okay? Alright, here, we're gonna go over here. Alright, just come with us, okay? Don't run off, don't do anything,
I
okay?
know.
Alright, let's go. We're gonna do it out of sight of everybody, okay? And we'll explain to your mom.
You have my phone.
Yeah, we're gonna give you your phone. It's gonna come with it, okay? We're gonna do this away from everybody, and then we're gonna get you out of here so no one sees you, okay? Alright?
No transportation tow. The bird of standby for strong paper. They show a semi off of it. So advising they're at mile number 85.
1 second.
Just 1 second, okay? This is
And the express
Stay
lane.
calm, okay? Alright. You're good. You know what? Don't cross your fingers, right? All right. We're gonna let you. Is that Dad too? Okay. We're gonna let them talk to you real quick, and we're gonna explain to them what they can come do right after this. Okay. All right. All right. Just search real quick.
Yeah.
I'll talk to my
Her
wife.
stuff is on the hood if you want to give it to.
They have that stuff there, but she shouldn't be in there. She shouldn't
be in there that long.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm
This is just a
saying. If you're
simple
able to
battery
go
that-
pay her
that
bond,
she should
she'll
not
be able to
in
get
there.
out
She should be able
today.
to get out,
Okay,
like,
today?
as soon as like she's done getting processed and everything, as soon as she has the bond money, you can actually probably go there right now and then just wait there and they'll be like, wait till she gets processed. When she's in, you get the bond money, she gets out.
Yeah.
So what's the county's?
Mom, her stuff is on the trunk of the car. Her if you could just grab it right here.
She's gonna have her phone on her too, so she's gonna make phone calls.
Oh, you want her to keep her phone? So when she get out, she can.
Oh, that's not my phone.
Who phone? Who has her
That's my
phone?
phone up there.
Oh shoot! I'm sorry. I
Bring
forgot
your
I
phone
put it
with
up
you.
here.
You can get the numbers out of your phone, alright? Alright, is she all good?
Is your phone off? Yeah, she's good.
I think. Oh, never mind.
How do you?
You hold it.
I'm gonna turn it off because to save the battery.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So when you get out, it'll be charged, so you can call your parents. Okay.
Well, once we get in the car, so we're gonna in the car.
The address, you put the address on, right? You leave it.
Just have this. Let me put the seatbelt on you.
Go in there. No, we're gonna go in there. You're gonna do the name. Give it like about. Until we get there, and then we have to grab the affidavit real quick, and then they get it. And once she's in, she'll be in the system, and we'll have her bond. Which
Scoot up for just a little bit. I'm gonna grab the seat. Grab the seat. Scoot. There you go.
Go to the window. Yep. And then Orange County. Yes. Orange County Corrections. Yeah. Booking. Yes. It's not. Yeah. Booking Policing Center is what it's called. But, or if you type in Orange County Jail on Google, it'll come up. Okay. So I'll explain to you what happened. Okay. Send you the month. So I guess she's claiming that she said something racist to her, which caused her to do what she did. Unfortunately, the statute doesn't allow that you can feel bad at somebody.
Absolutely.
Okay? So we explained that to her. We're trying to keep her calm. That's why we won't put her handcuffs over there and talk
Thank
to
you
her.
for that.
So we
All right, let's get into the legal analysis. This case turns on two questions: whether the conduct constitutes battery and whether racial provocation carries any legal weight as a defense. Under California Penal Code, Section 242, battery is defined as any willful and unlawful use of force upon another person, no injury required. The suspect initiated contact from behind on a victim who was walking away, then continued after the victim fell. On those facts alone, every element of the statute is met. But does provocation change that picture? That's where we look next. The California Supreme Court answered this directly in People v. Myers' verbal provocation, however severe, neither reduces nor justifies battery. Provocation may be raised at sentencing as mitigation, but it cannot function as a defense to the charge itself. The law separates how you felt from what you did. Context belongs to disposition, not to guilt. A related issue worth examining is whether the customer's remark could constitute a hate crime under California Penal Code Section 422.6. That statute requires proof of intent to intimidate or interfere with civil rights based on a protected characteristic. A generalizing comment, however offensive, does not satisfy that threshold without evidence of deliberate targeting. On the facts here, no criminal liability attaches to the words spoken. Finally, turning to the arrest, probable cause was established from three independent sources: victim testimony, store surveillance footage, and the suspect's own admission. Under Terry v. Manna, Ohio officers had lawful authority to detain upon her return. California Penal Code Section 836 authorized a warrantless arrest once the battery was corroborated on camera. And under Graham v. W.S. Connor, the force applied a standard handcuffing of a compliant subject is objectively reasonable in every respect. The legal foundation here is solid. With the law mapped out, let's now turn to how each party performed and what that earns them. The responding officers earn an A-. Securing surveillance footage before interviewing the suspect was the right call. It built an independent evidentiary record that doesn't depend on any single account. The arrest was conducted away from bystanders, personal items were returned to family, and the bond process was communicated clearly. One flag: Miranda advisement is not audible on camera prior to the suspect's self-incriminating statements if formal custodial interrogation had begun at that point. Admissibility of those statements could be challenged. A strong response overall, with one procedural gap worth noting. The suspect earns a C. She cooperated, gave an honest account, and did not resist arrest factors that matter at sentencing. But the attack was initiated from behind on a victim who was walking away and continued after that victim was on the ground. Those are aggravating facts that undercut any claim of impulsive reaction. Under California Penal Code Section 1001.95, diversion or probation remains viable given her age and clean record, but the conduct, on its face, warrants the charge filed. This case doesn't just end with a charge and a grade, it leaves behind some hard-won clarity on how the law works when emotion and offense collide. Let's take that with us. First, verbal provocation does not reset legal responsibility. However sharp the words, the law holds the actor fully accountable the moment physical contact is made. Feeling wronged is real, but it is not a substitute for lawful restraint. Building on that independent evidence is what transforms a credible account into a durable case. Securing surveillance before any interview is conducted means the investigation stands on its own, separate from the conflict between two competing stories. And perhaps most importantly, the law can acknowledge your pain without validating your response to it. Provocation at sentencing is a legal right provocation, as justification for assault is not. That gap between mitigation and justification is precisely where outcomes are decided and where this case will ultimately be resolved. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to analyze in the comments below. Thank you for watching.